In this video, I'll show you how to add travel insurance to your booking on trip.com. First, open your browser and go to trip.com. Once you are on the home page, I recommend logging in to your account first. Click on the Login button and enter your email and password. Once you are logged in, go ahead and search for the hotel, flight, or service you want to book. For this example, we are going to search for a hotel. Enter your destination and dates, browse through the results, and click on Check Availability on the hotel you want. Once you find the room you want, click on Reserve. This will take you to the booking page. Fill in your details, including your first name, last name, and phone number. You can also add a guest, enter a promo code, and select how you want to pay. Now, this is the important part. While you're still on the booking page, look for the travel insurance option. This is where you can add insurance to your booking before you complete the payment. It is always best to add insurance during the booking process rather than afterwards. However, if you have already completed your booking and forgot to add insurance, you can still go back to your booking and add it afterwards through the My Booking section. Once you have added the insurance and filled in all your details, click on Final Step and complete your payment. That is how you do it.